Hey, this is Vince with Creative Rods. Let's check out what's going on in shop today. Looks like they're working on the front valance on this Camaro. Got a 66 C10 in here.
Are you videoing?
Doing a lowering kit on it. .36 Ford. Jeremy's taping up the roof on this,
priming, put some holes in.
on this Backdraft Motorsports. Big block. What you doing over? He's sanding on the back.
Big block is blocking.
Big block is blocking. Is that where that sticker was?
That's where I had the camera mounted.
Oh, the cameraman. You filling in those holes?
Yes, sir. Trying to clean it up a bit.
It's a bad ride. And then Jeremy just epoxied the Bronco in the boot. What's going on in here?
Nothing. Making some
Oh, I see. Little door panel stuff. So that door panel can fit in there nice.
Yeah, but what we're gonna do it all the way around like this. So all this will be all smooth.
Yep.
The door panel will fit inside.
Nice.
It'll be nice and clean.
That's what you call custom interior work, right? That's a 36 Ford street rod there. If you like our videos, like what you see, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.